Hey everyone, Joe here with Seaflo. We're going to do the unboxing of the lithium battery-powered fuel transfer pump. This also comes with throwaway batteries as well, or I should say an option that you could use throwaway, but we're just going to unbox the lithium one, show you how it works, how you hook it up to a gas can, so you don't have to lug this around and pour it, and pick it up and pour it and spill gasoline everywhere, things like that. So let's get right into it. So as all Seaflo products, comes with a 4-year warranty. And yeah, this is really a neat design. It takes care of a lot of hassle of having to pour your gas into your tank and spill it, or pick it up, it gets heavy, all that kind of stuff. Comes with the directions manual and then the pump itself. Comes with the warranty information and then your warranty registration card, as always. This is neat. It comes with different fittings, so depending on how big your gas canister is, there is a fitting for each one. So has different sizes. Whatever you need, it will come with. And then here's the pump itself. So this is the pump all unwrapped. So what you do is take your gas canister, screw this off, and depending on what size gas canister you have, you could fit the different fitting. This is the fitting that's supposed to go on it. Simply take the suction side and just drop it right in there. You can then screw the actual pump onto your gas can here, and you'll see that there's, turn this around for you. There's your on button. Once you hit that, this will start pumping. Put it into your can, and you could actually see in there, and right here, there's a sensor to cut it off once your tank is full. So again, it really takes the hassle of having to pour out. You have your hose, you stick it in, fill up your tank, turn it off, or it'll automatically turn off, and you're done. Really nice design, saves a lot of hassle, and is extremely convenient. If you guys are interested in purchasing, go to seaflodirect.com. At the end of the video, there'll be a 10% coupon. Be sure to use that, and I'll see you next time.